have expressions like these, where multiple operators are involved, things could get a little trickier. Let's see how, by giving the same expression separately to both of you to solve. You go first, Tanya. Your turn now, Sam. Uh-oh, both Tanya and Sam have got different answers, but the correct answer is 13. Let's find out where Tanya went wrong. She got 5 plus 4, which is 9, that is correct. And 9 times 2 is 18, that is also correct. So where did she go wrong? Well, the problem lies in the order she did these operations. She did the addition first, followed by the multiplication, whereas it should have been the other way round. You may be wondering, how do we know what operation comes first and what comes next? Well, there are steps you have to remember and follow in a sequence called the order of operations. Let's learn this rule through this example. This problem may look complicated, but if you just stick to the sequence or order of doing the operations, it turns out to be very simple. Let's have a look. The first thing you always look to solve are brackets or parentheses. So for now, we ignore the rest of the problem and focus only on solving what's inside the brackets. 7 minus 5 is 2, and our first step is done. Next we look for any exponent or power in the expression. We have here 3 to the power of 2 or 3 squared, and that's what we solve as the next step. In the next step, so if you remember this sequence of steps and just stick to it, you will never fail in getting the right answer. Now to make things easier, we will devise a quick way to recollect this sequence of steps. For the brackets or parentheses, we use B or a P. For exponents, we can use E. We can also use the letter O, as in the of, for depicting the exponents. Next, we simply use M and D for multiplication and division respectively. The order of letters M and D is not important. Just remember that these have to be done before the addition and subtraction, which we depict with the letters A and S. So there you have it. We have BODMAS or PEMDAS as short words to remember the order of operations. So kids, happy practicing.